Would you like a simple, flexible learning program to help your students improve their technical drawing skills? Hi, I'm Glenn, a teacher and industrial designer. This resource will help retain more students, including girls, into our subjects, develop technical drawing skills for STEM and STEAM, create a transferable skills pathway into CAD. I guarantee other teachers will want to know your secret. Your students will love the guided drawing exercises, and you don't need any drawing experience to run this program with your class. Students can complete from home or in class. They will learn about wood theory, all while learning to sketch in 3D. See improvements across the board. Teach the basic skills and you'll be amazed what your students produce for you.